now I have modified my Mead ETX 125 to accept.
This one's a refractor, so
So I think I will use the max vision with this. It goes better, gives a better result. Looks heavier. This is a package that I've received. It's mysterious. I don't know what is inside it. Let's open and see what is it. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, these are shredded paper. Okay, paper. What is this? Oh, that's a tripod, metal. Beautiful tripod. Looks really interesting. Kind of sturdy. Okay, that's a tripod. And what is this? That looks interesting. Ooh, a telescope. Let me read what is written here. Baushc and Lomb zoom 60mm telescope. The Discoverer, Baushc and Lomb. That is a good quality, old style. And that is 60mm. And let me just open the dust cap. Okay, a quality dust cap is like this, a screw. Oh, so there is no danger by accident they fall or anything. So let's see. Look at the lens. Multi-coated. Let's see the other side of it. Oh, the dew shield is also there, and that is also screw on. So again, some good sign. Oh, the dew shield is sliding. You can slide it up and down, the dew shield, and it stays there. That looks impressive. This look like the adverts I used to see when I was in the 1970s in the magazines. Okay, interesting. A sturdy tripod which can take anything. It's quite heavy. And metal, full metal, nothing plastic except this here, which is a thin film just to give a padding. The rest of it is all metal. Ah, look at that. Really good photographic. This is the Baushc ones that they used to sell in the 1970s. Now, like the 2000, decade of 2000, that posh capitalists used to buy this kind of offices and other things. They used to buy the Mead ETX for their offices, and so it was advertisement in those kind of places. This one was like that on those times, and that was the highest quality you could have find for a spotting scope for desk display. And now we have it now here. Beautiful. The way that you focus this is by this ring. You have to turn this ring, and this ring also will change the zoom. Lowest zoom is 15 times, and the shortest distance is 7.5 meters. And I tested it. It looks nice. It doesn't have any chromatic aberration. So hopefully this is a good telescope for astronomical observation also. It's for terrestrial practically with this kind of eyepiece. But we will see. I will put it on this mount just to see how it will take it. I will put it on this mount just to see how it take it. Okay, it looks very nice on the tripod, easy to maneuver around, and let's now see how we can focus on the famous can, the Coca-Cola Coke can that is somewhere in this garden. And the interesting thing is that you can finally adjust the altitude with this screw. That's interesting. And there's another one here for azimuth. Let's see what we can find here. Okay, this is the lowest zoom. Now let me take it to the highest zoom. I must say in the lowest zoom is the picture is completely free from any chromatic aberration, and that makes it really suitable for, you know, wide angle viewing. The only problem is that the eyepiece is at a straight through eyepiece, so I wonder if I can change this, but I may not be able, but that's good for terrestrial use. Really good, really clear picture, and the mount is superb. I wonder if I can use my spotoscope open that Bresser astroscope binocular. Let me go have a go now. Just let me try it. Okay, now I have modified my Mead ETX 125 to accept.
This one's a refractor, so
I think I will use the max vision with this. It goes better, gives a better result. It looks heavier.